All right. Hey, everyone. If you're here with us today, I bet you're probably pretty interested in what's going on with XRP lately.
Yeah, things are heating up.
They really are some pretty big price moves. And we are going to take a deep dive into the data and analysis today.
Absolutely.
See if this is just, one of those little blips that
The
happens.
flash in the pan.
Yeah, exactly. Or if this is maybe the start of something bigger.
Yeah, when we see a jump like, what was it, almost 6%?
5.99 in the last 24 hours.
Yeah, that gets attention, right. But in crypto, that can be, I don't want to say meaningless, but
Yeah, it's all relative.
you got to look at the longer term trends.
Well, and especially with XRP, we know it's been kind of bumping up against this resistance.
Oh, yeah, for like 3 years.
A 3-year high, a historical high.
People who bought it back then have been like, come on, when can I sell this thing?
Where do I get my profits?
Exactly. They're waiting for that moment.
Yeah.
So it's created this sort of ceiling that's been really hard to break through.
Yeah, but it sounds like we might be seeing some signs it's changing.
Maybe, yeah. Things are looking interesting.
Well, and especially because right now it's sitting at 246.
Which is not bad.
Yeah, and it's been holding pretty steady around that $2 mark.
That's always a good sign, right? That means people are buying it.
People are interested.
And they're not just buying it, they're actually using it, which is what we want to see, right?
Right.
And all the data, all these on-chain metrics are backing that up.
Okay, hold on. On-chain metrics. I feel like that's something a lot of people probably hear and they're like, what is that?
Right, it's a little bit of jargon.
It is. So break it down.
Think of it this way. Okay, so you go to a store and you want to see if it's doing well. You can look around, see how many people are shopping.
Yeah.
But that doesn't tell you the whole story. Like, are they actually buying stuff? Are people returning stuff?
What's happening behind the scenes?
Exactly. You want to look at inventory. How much are they selling? What are the employees saying about the store? It's the same with XRP. On-chain metrics give us a deeper look at what's going on behind the price on the actual network.
Okay, so it's not just about like that surface level price action. It's about the nitty gritty behind it.
Exactly.
Okay, so what are these on-chain metrics telling us about XRP right now?
A lot of good things. More people are using the network than ever before. Tons of transactions happening.
So that's the volume we were talking about, up over 9%,
Exactly, 9.33 to be exact.
which usually means price is going up too.
Right, the more people buy and sell, the more the price tends to move.
Okay, so this is all painting a pretty good picture for XRP. But the big question, the one everyone wants to know is, can it hit $3 again?
Ah, the magic $3 mark.
Right, so why is that level so important?
Well, first of all, we haven't seen it in 3 years. Remember that resistance level we talked about?
Right, so breaking through that would be huge.
Huge. It would show that the market believes in XRP, that it's here to stay, and that could lead to even more growth.
So potentially a domino effect.
Exactly. And then we have this other big thing on the horizon, the spot XRP ETF approvals.
Okay, so for people who are like, wait, what's that? Explain it to us like we're 5.
All right, so imagine you want to invest in gold, but you can't buy physical gold, like those gold bars you see in the movies.
Right.
You can only buy shares of a company that mines gold. So you're not investing in gold directly, it's more roundabout.
Like one step removed.
Exactly. That's kind of how it's been with crypto for a lot of people. But a spot XRP ETF would make it much easier to invest in XRP directly, like buying those gold bars instead of the mining company shares.
So it would open up crypto to a lot more people.
A lot more. Everyday investors could just buy XRP through their regular brokerage accounts.
That's huge. I mean, that could mean a lot more money flowing into XRP.
Potentially, yeah. And that's why people are so excited about it.
I mean, when you look at it, XRP has gone from 77 cents to 286.
Quite a swing.
What a roller coaster. So what do people need to keep in mind as they're watching all of this play out?
I think the key takeaway is that XRP is showing resilience. Even with those ups and downs, it's holding strong around $2 right now.
Which is a good sign.
Yeah, and it's in this consolidation phase, which basically means it's gathering energy like a coiled spring.
Oh, I like that analogy.
Right, and that usually means a big move is coming, a breakout, but we just don't know which direction.
Okay, so what are we looking for? What could trigger this breakout?
Well, like we said, those spot XRP ETF approvals would be huge.
I imagine so.
But it could also be something else, like a big investment from an institution, or even just a string of positive news and developments.
So basically, stay tuned.
Yeah, keep your eyes on XRP. Things are getting interesting.
So we've got strong support at $2, positive on-chain metrics, increasing trading volume, and the potential for some major catalysts.
It's a recipe for excitement.
It really is. So what does this all mean for the bigger picture?
Well, that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? What happens if XRP takes off? Could it create a ripple effect across the entire crypto market? Could this be the start of a new altcoin season? These are all things we need to consider and things we'll definitely be keeping a close eye on. So if you're interested in XRP, now is definitely the time to pay attention.
Absolutely. Well, thanks for breaking it all down for us.
My pleasure.
Really appreciate it. And to everyone listening, thanks for joining us for another deep dive. We'll be back soon with more.
See ya.